Hello, my name is Mina. Future lessons still continue. This one is about
will and how to make yes-no questions.
If you haven't watched my previous lesson, I must say that you can use will in different situations, such as
We're talking about future prediction, when you guess or think about future. For example, I think my team will win the match tomorrow. Use will for talking about future facts, like next semester will start next Saturday. Also, use it for talking about instant decisions we make at the time of speaking, like I'll bake a cake tonight. You can use will for offering something. For example, I'll help you with your homework. Also, use will to promise doing something, like one more kiss please, I'll change. Let's make yes-no questions. Start your question with will, then subject and verb. Don't forget to use base verbs. To understand better, you need examples. Here you are. Will you go to London next month? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Will Jessica marry Alex? Yes, she will. No, she won't. Will Mike get that job? Yes, he will. No, he won't. All the questions start with will, then subjects. You, Jessica, Mike, and verbs. Go, marry, get. Use will and won't in answers. This is so easy. Try to make questions with they and pass the test. It and snow. We and buy a new car.
Please write the questions you made in comments. I'd like to see how well you got this lesson. I think next lesson will be very interesting. So subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss it. Have a good time.